All right. This time we are going to be unboxing the all new Honor Pad X9a. This is supposed to be your ultimate AI tablet for this back to school season. So the standard package without the keyboard cover is going to be priced at 10,999 pesos, while the upgraded package with a free keyboard cover is going to set you back by 11,999 pesos. So, what's inside the box? You get your standard set of manuals, you get a USB Type C cable, and of course, your fast charger. Oh, and by the way, the Pad X9a comes with a 8,300 milliamp hour battery with 35 watts of fast charging. If you decide to get the bundle, you get this smart Bluetooth keyboard. It looks really nice. It feels very premium. I love the texture, and the keyboard itself is very high quality. There's a physical button to the side as well as a pass-through port for your USB Type-C charger. Based on our research, the Pad X9a comes in only one color, which is space gray, but we do love it. It looks really premium. It runs Android 15 out of the box with MagicOS 9.0, which is the latest and greatest from Honor. For the display, you're getting an 11.5-inch TFT LCD display with a 2.5K resolution that runs all the way up to 120 Hz and peak brightness of 400 nits. It runs on the 6 nanometer Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 chipset with 6 gigabytes of memory and 128 gigs of internal storage. Unfortunately, the Honor Pad X9a is Wi-Fi only, which means there's no mobile data support, but this is probably one of the thinnest tablets that we've laid our hands on this year. Oh, and by the way, you get a free camping light speaker if you pre-order from now up to May 30. So, what do you want to know about the Honor Pad X9a? Drop a comment and subscribe to Tech Kuya on YouTube.